Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Marco, and today I'm going to show you how to make a procedural rock in Blender, specifically pumice. This is just a subdivided cube with a shader that controls the displacement along its normals. So, let's jump right into Blender. Let's start by deleting everything. Open a shader editor area on the left and add a cube object to the scene. Add a new material. Switch to the Modifiers tab, add a subdivision surface modifier, and enable adaptive subdivision. Switch to the Materials tab and set the displacement method to displacement only. Switch to rendered mode. Set the shade of the object to smooth. Add a sky texture to the world shader. Now set the look to high contrast and lower the exposure of the scene. Set the dicing rate of the viewport to 2, and now let's start making the material. Add an object coordinate node, connect a noise texture, and increase the scale and the distortion. Use a map range to control the contrast of the texture. Add a color mix node and set the previously created map to the factor of it. Set the first color to orange and the second to light yellow. This will be used for the main color of the rock. Add a multiply color node. Set the second color to dark gray. Add a noise texture. Set it to high contrast by using a map range node. Then connect it to the factor of the multiply color node. In the end, connect the map we created to the base color of principled. I also forgot to add an add vector math node to the object coordinate at the beginning. Now for the displacement of the geometry, let's add a noise texture and increase the detail. Use a map range to increase the contrast. Add another noise texture and increase the scale. Multiply it by a low number. Add it back to the previously created map. Let's now set the roughness by picking this noise texture and use a map range to define the values. Connect it to the principled node. Add an add color node and a noise texture. Connect it to the add color node. Now add a Voronoi texture and connect our distortion map to it. Change the values as shown. Add a map range node to the Voronoi to control the contrast, and set it to smooth step. Multiply it by a low number. Add a displacement node and add the previously created map to the height input. Connect it to the displacement of the material output. Multiply the height by a low number and change the displacement parameters as shown. Now subtract the previously created holes map from the main height map. Duplicate these nodes and connect the object coordinates accordingly. Change the values as shown. This is for getting even smaller holes in the rock. Add a map range set to smooth step. Multiply it by a low number. Finally, subtract the holes map from the main map. And there we go. You made it to the end. Thank you for following this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye and see you in the next one. Have fun.